And 3DP4ME, our mission is to serve real human needs with practical 3D printing.
The World Health Organization now talks about 760 million people in the world, 10% of the world population, as having a hearing impairment. A huge group, 280 million or so, has a hearing disability and are hard of hearing and have very little that helps them. Really, what they need is hearing aids. They're hearing people, they're not deaf people. They're hearing people with a hearing problem who need a hearing aid to give them back functional hearing. And of that group, maybe up to about 80 million are children who do not access schools because they fall out, they drop out, they can't follow the lessons, they can't hear what's going on. Now, worldwide hearing care came in specifically for that particular group. It was created under the World Health Organization.
You know, I met Brother Andrew a couple of years ago, and he's just a real inspiration. And when you meet him, his attitude and his approach on life is just super contagious. And he started sharing about his vision for the Hearing Express project here in Jordan to provide 12,000 hearing aids to lower income individuals. And you know, that really got me jazzed. The idea of doing that, I'm like, I want to be a part of that. And so Brother and I started to discuss what technology is out there.
I'm Dr. Brian Fleiger. I'm the Chief Development Officer of Lantos Technologies, an MIT spin-off company that has developed a direct ear scanner. So if Jason goes out into the field and he scans the ears of people with hearing loss who need hearing aids, those files can immediately be uploaded through the internet into his server, where his modeler would be able to take that piece, start modeling it immediately while Jason is still out there in the field. They can model up the piece, they can put it on a 3D printer, and then literally just start printing it. By the time Jason comes back, these custom ear devices will already be made and ready to go right back out the next time they go.
This is another, the 3D printing technology with the imaging is another major quantum leap forward. Maybe the end product doesn't really look that different, but the process is of course totally new. What we would like to see is that molds are not anymore built in a laboratory, but can actually be printed on a small 3D printer. There is not a country in the world, I believe, that has been so generous to refugees. 5-6 years ago, 1 million Syrian refugees who crossed over the border and came to stay in Jordan, over 1 million, about 1.25 million are still here.
Initially, our short-term goal is to set up a 3D printing lab that would allow us to increase capacity. We're really excited about incorporating the new direct ear scanner technology that would increase access for those living in the refugee camps and also in the outlying villages.
In my career at Boston Children's Hospital, I diagnosed and treated hearing loss in many hundreds of children. Our staff saw thousands of children every single year from all over the world. Early onset childhood hearing loss can rob a child of their ability to develop their personality to its fullest extent. It robs their ability to develop good relationships, to bond with parents, to bond with further family members. It robs them of the ability to express their thoughts and be the entire person that they can be. Without good hearing, a person is disconnected from people. Lantos Technologies supports 3DP4ME. I hope that there are others out there who would be able to support Jason Solomeyer and his wonderful organization. Hearing is a gift, and we at Lantos want to help Jason in his effort to give this gift of hearing.